Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect e-commerce data with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. When it comes to protecting e-commerce data, Shopify offers robust solutions. Begin by enabling two-factor authentication for your Shopify account. This extra layer of security ensures that even if someone gets your password, they cannot access your account without a secondary verification method. Next, use strong, unique passwords for your Shopify store and change them regularly. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials safely. In addition to strong passwords, ensure that all staff members have limited access based on their roles. This helps minimize the risk of internal data breaches. Regularly review user permissions to ensure they remain appropriate. Next, implement secure payment gateways to protect customer information during transactions. Shopify supports various secure payment options, such as Shopify Payments and third-party gateways. Always enable SSL certificates on your store to encrypt data exchanged between your site and its visitors. Shopify provides SSL certificates automatically for all stores, so make sure it's activated. Monitor your store for suspicious activity regularly. Use the built-in analytics and reporting features in Shopify to identify any unusual patterns. Consider adding a web application firewall to provide an extra layer of security. This can help block malicious traffic before it reaches your store. Always keep your Shopify apps and integrations updated. Outdated apps can have vulnerabilities that may compromise your data. Regularly back up your store data to ensure you can recover it in case of any data loss. Shopify allows exports of product and customer data, which you can store securely. Educate your team about data security best practices, including phishing awareness. Create a culture of security within your e-commerce business. Finally, stay informed about the latest security threats and updates within Shopify. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your e-commerce data on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.